Everyone, welcome back to our network series. In this series, we are going to solve multiplication of network. This is the 11th video of this series. Today, we are going to solve question number 1876. Substring of size 3 with distinct characters. Let's read the statement. A string is good if there are no repeated characters given. A string is written the number of good substring of length 3 in S. Note that if there are multiple occurrences of same substring, every occurrence should be counted. A substring is a continuous sequence of character in a string. Let's see the example. Example number one. Input S is equal to X, Y, Z, Z, A, Z. There are four substrings of size 3 XYZ, YZZ, and ZAZ. But only one string is good. So we can say that string number one XYZ, this is good because in another string there are repetition of character. Let's see the example number two. Example number two, input S is equal to ABC. Here is total seven substring. First is AAB, ABA, BAB, ABC, BCA, CAB, and ABC. Here we can see that the AAB it will not consider for good string, and ABA it will also not consider. BAB not. ABC will consider because in this string not repetition of character, and we can see that the AB, BCA, CAB, and ABC. They are not repetition of character, so we will consider good string. Let's see the code. Firstly, we have to just to check the second position and third position of a character. Let's make firstly count integer count total substring. First by default value will be 0, and we will use the for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I plus 2 because we have not go to the end till end of string, and less than s dot size I plus plus if s I not equal to s of I plus 1 and s of I plus 1 not is equal to s of I plus 2 and s of I not is equal to s of I plus 2, then we will just increase count by 1, and we will just return count. Let's see the test cases. Uh, Here we can see that our two test cases are passed. Now we have to submit this code. Let's submit it, and we can see that our total of 160 test cases are passed, and the time complexity for this code is of n because here we are just iterating only one time, and the time complexity is of 1 because we are just storing only one integer count. Thank you for watching.